Let's make a simplified shish tawook. This is a beautiful Lebanese dish and I can't wait for you guys to try it. To start off, I have 4 chicken fillets. I have now cut them in pieces and we are going to now marinate this. So in a bowl, add 5 tablespoons of yogurt. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and a teaspoon of mustard paste, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sumac and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and 3 cloves of garlic, squeezing half a lemon and then give that all a good mix. Now doesn't that look yummy? Now add your chicken pieces and then marinate this ideally overnight. If you don't have time, then 1 hour should be fine. So now let's cook this. To simplify this dish, I am not adding skewers because let's be real, who has time to faff around with skewers, right? So add all the chicken, cook, shallow fry it, cook until they are golden colour, and then it's ready to serve. To serve, you need tortilla wrap, garlic sauce. Add your chicken pieces. It smells absolutely incredible. It's so mouthwatering. Add some salad. I also added some gherkins. It's up to yourself if you want to. Wrap that up and enjoy. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is the only way that I'll keep motivated. Until next time, take care.